Nosy 30, guys. Let's start here on the end. What we got? What my buddy doing down here? Oh, rotating, balancing tires. What you doing, man? This guy, let me tell y'all something about this guy. He will abuse the mess out of his Matco half-inch drive. He don't even pull out his air. He don't even pull out his air impact anymore. You got to get this thing a break, guys. Sure, it's warranty and all that, but you don't have to beat it up all the time. I don't understand these people. Okay, I didn't come over here to work, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to be stopping tires. But, yeah, it's a bad boy. Don't get me wrong. Look at that. I barely can pull the trigger with one hand. And I got muscles, so go figure. Y'all see that? That is a bad boy. I bet it was high dollar, too. Not Makita. What's the red drill? Oh, my goodness. I can't think of the name. They got one at Lowe's I want to go get. I don't know if it's as powerful as that. I'm sure it's not as expensive as that. All right, we're going this way. I don't know what he got up here. It looks like a diesel Cummins something. It's on a diesel lift, so I have no idea. My diesel guy is out right now, guys. He's under the weather. All right. I wish him well. Hope he get back soon. Hey, Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty turbo diesel. Yes. What's the known issue with these guys? We used to put water pumps on these all the time. I don't know what's going on with this. Have no earthly idea. Where you diesel guys at? All right, 6.7. I took a course on this. They had us pulling the camshaft out. Of course, the cab has to be up to perform or to do that type work, guys. I'm no big fan. My lift would not lift up such a vehicle, so I don't even want to entertain that. Hey, Grand Cherokee. Hey, 5.7 Hemi. Hey, what could it be? I still see the cover on, so it's not nothing. I know everybody think it's probably a ticker. It's probably ticking. This guy, he's a tick king too. Look at all these ticking things over here. You know, yeah, guys. Now he probably like me. The one that was really bad, you do the lifter on that one bad. Now lifter's not really causing our problems, guys. So a lot of guys, I want to do all the rock arms and all the lifters. Very seldom have a problem with the lifter. The only reason I would place this if it was tag teamed up with a bad rocker arm. So I would do that cylinder with both a new lifter and a rocker arm. Okay, this has come off that 15. Remember that truck? I watched this video right here. It ended up not needing a camshaft. They caught it in time, in other words. Good for the customer, all right? Yes, very good for the customer. All right, where we going now? What's going on, guys? It's 5:30. Everybody gone, so y'all know it is Nosy 30. I don't want y'all to see people license plate. What my man over here doing? Let's take a peek, guys. Y'all keep quiet so I don't get caught. Hey, Pentastar. It's not a Gen 3, guys. It's a Gen 2. Not saying there's problems. Somebody asked me the other day, when can I expect problems? Look, man, let me tell you like this. You shouldn't expect problems. I've already explained this a dozen times. Okay, the ones that you see, it's so many vehicles out there with this engine in it. It's only a small percentage that's having problems. But because there's so many of these vehicles out there, when you see one, you think, or when you see one or two or three, you think, oh, they falling like pat. Oh, that's notorious. That's the word everybody use. They notorious for ticking. No, it's just that small percentage you're seeing. Like the bulk, like the number. Now we see a lot here, but we're a centralized location for where you should take your vehicle in the event you have a problem. So naturally, some of that small percentage is ending up in this facility. That's why I don't even do videos on those anymore. There's nothing else to talk about. But my point is, the guy that asked me that, I forgot to respond. I didn't get around to responding, but he need to understand that there's no such thing as when should I expect it to happen, because quite frankly, you shouldn't expect it. Now, will it happen or can it happen? Yeah, nobody can answer a question like that. But yeah, guys, for the most part, a little 200 with a 2.4 dual BBT. Done a lot of work on these guys. Look at that. That's an old A604 41TE. made a killing off those transmissions. And I was around when they first came out. So there's horror stories out there of technicians getting a house built off of the failures of that transmission. They made so much money to where they was able to buy new houses. Hey, look at this beauty here, guys. This one of the old bottle charger. Look how they got the covering. Ain't that a beauty? Look at that. Candy apple red with an orange cover. Okay, maybe they should have made that candy apple. I don't know, but it's still pretty. That's a pretty car. Man, how y'all like that? What's wrong with it? I don't know. We'll start media line. It's nosy 30, so I couldn't tell you. All right, guys, I'm headed this way. Hey, looks like a Durango. Oh, fuel pump out. Guys, we utilizing this damn battery jack for everything. All right, but yes, this is a Dodge Durango. I don't know. From the look of that, fuel pumps. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. How does it come out? Same as any other. You may have to remove the exhaust. You may not. But my man got it out with the help of this battery jack. He got the whole tank out. Good thing it wasn't full. I hate when they full because that calls for you could make a mess. But you got a fuel pump right there. So that does that. I'm going down here because I'm just about done, guys. Hemi tear down. I don't know. Ticker. I don't know. Don't start me line. I have no idea. At any rate, I missed something. What is this little? Oh, this is a co-worker's car. This guy riding around. His car stalled out. Y'all know the VVT 3.6 Pentastar. Very reliant on the proper amount of oil in the crankcase. Well, this is an employee now. So he got an oil leak, right? So he panicked one day. I guess it got too low on oil and the car started stalling out, dying out. He in freak mode. It got all these codes for cam sensors and things like that. When all he needed was the correct amount of oil in it. But that shouldn't be a reason for you to just add oil unless there's a leak. So simply adding oil is not a fix, right? You really need to fix the leak. Turn out this oil filter adapter house is leaking bad. Oh my goodness. Some of the things employee. Okay, it's this scrap yard here, guys. Never mind this. It's going in my truck. Guys, I'm done. I'm talking too much. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Check this out, man. Y'all see this? Y'all see what this box? Y'all see that? Y'all see that, right? K&N. All right. Performance Air Intake System. That is what I just installed on this 6.1 Hemi, guys. This is a Chrysler 300. I want to say 07 model, but it doesn't matter the model. Now, I just installed this. What's going to change, guys? I don't know. I know what I read as far as high performance, more horsepower, things like that, but I don't really know. So if any of you guys have installed one of these, tell me, let me know what advantages do you have. All right, I'm just the installer on this particular setup. I merely installed it. I now want to know what's the advantage to installing it. All right, so anybody there on IG, let me know what y'all think, man. All right, tune in to my YouTube channel, guys. JT the Car Guy. All right, online mechanic tip. Stay tuned.